Let's see about the XCUI test, which is the iOS testing framework. So basically, it is the testing framework provided by Apple for testing iOS application. It allows developers to write automated UI test. Okay, only UI test. It's not an API testing. It's a UI testing to ensure functionality and behavior. Interacts with the UI elements of the simulating user interaction outcomes. So let's take this. So the key concepts. UI test framework. XCI builds upon the X. There's a test framework comes something called as XCTest. XCTest framework, which provides a general testing foundation. Okay, general testing foundation. UI automation. XCI UI test utilizes UI automation features, which provides general testing to simulate user interactions with apps UI like buttons and text. Next is record and playback. Test offers tools for reducing interaction to create skill. However, it's often recommended to write test programmatically for better maintainability. For recording, tools for offers tools for recording user interactions. Okay, for recording user interactions. Next, assertions. Assertions are that verify the expected behavior. Statements that verify expected behavior of the app after performing certain actions. Provides various assertions to check for element existence, visibility, and everything. Expected behavior to check for elements behavior and everything. Assertions, UI automation, XCA test framework, recording and playback. Next, text script writing, program languages. Scripts are written in Swift, the primary developed language file. This allows better interaction with your app's code base and cleaner text development language. Page object. Consider using page object model, which is POM. Design pattern. Okay, this is a design pattern. To improve test script organization, organize UI elements related interaction into page objects. For clear, page objects. User interface testing. XCUITest primarily used for testing the user interface UI. Only okay, it can be interacted. It can be interact with the UI elements such as buttons. Interaction with Xcode. XCUITest is tightly integrated with Xcode. Apple IDE for iOS. Test are written and executed debug with Xcode. Swift and Object-C support. XCUITest supports both Swift and Object-C programming language. Object-C code on top. Objective-C. Okay. The language they are comfortable with. Access to application code. XCUITest interacts with the UI elements from the outside without direct access to the application code. They ensure tests are written from a user perspective. This is not required. Simulate and device testing. XCUITest can run tests both in iOS simulators and physical devices. Simulators and physical devices. Zero developers to test in various environments. Okay. Assertion. XCUITest provides a set of built-in assertions and verification methods for validating the state. Developers can assert Support asynchronous testing allow developers to wait for certain conditions. This is for scenarios. UI recording and playback. Xcode includes a UI recording features that allow developers to interaction record interactions with the UI app. This can serve as continuous integration testing. XCUItest can be integrated into CI workflows using Xcode server. Okay, third party CI. This enables automated testing. XCUItest can be also used to test accessibility features of iOS apps. Okay, comments. We'll see this in the next video. Thanks.